Hey coders, welcome to Balloon Popper game course. Today we are going to set up the basic world where our game will happen. But first, let us see how to go to the Scratch website and start creating our game. Okay? So go in Google, search for Scratch. You can see the website Scratch MIT. You need to go for that website. In that, you are having the option of creating a game. So this is the place where you can start creating. Let me check. In some app, it give an option to save it as an app. That is really helpful for us. So let me just click on create. Okay. Let me just check. Save share. On the top, I'm getting an option to open in an app. Let us see if you're getting that good, or else we can just continue directly over here as well. Okay, okay. I think it was already at my end. Save it as an app. So that's why I'm having this option. So what you need to do, if you go over here now, go in cast save and share. Currently I'm already having it as an app, that's why it's not showing over here. You will get an option save page as an app, so just click on save page as an app, or you can just continue directly. Fine. So I will just open in an app. Okay, fine. This is just an optional step. You can just directly continue in browser as well, no need to worry about it. So now when you come to this screen, scratch screen, so you can see you're having some very few basic tutorial. I will just close that thing. And you're also having cat sprite over here. So generally sprite are the characters that you are going to use in your game. So currently I don't require this cat. So I can just select that cat and press delete. Fine. So can you see at the bottom you can see the collection of the sprite. Select the sprite, press delete. Yes, I want to delete this. So currently I'm having no sprite. I'm having a white background. Let's talk about this area. This empty area is where all our coding is going to happen. And the coding is very simple. You are going to enjoy that. As you can see on the left, extreme left, we are having some different name over here. Motion, look, sound, event, control. So all our block codings have been categorized in this thing. If I click on any of it, just for example, if I click on looks, so what is going to happen? All the blocks that are related to the looks are going to be shown over here. What you need to do, you need to select the respective block which is required by you in your game. You need to just click and drag it over here. Fine. If I don't want, I will just put it back over there, or I can just press delete. That block will be gone. So whatever block you want, you can just click on that particular thing, and the respective block will be come over here, and you just select the block and drag it in the coding area. So let us set up our background. I don't want a white background. So what I can do, how to add a new background. On the right hand side, you can see it is written stage over area over here. Scroll down, there are different options. Either you can make paint or some surprise. You can explore this option, or you can choose a backdrop from the collection given to us. So we are having different collection: fantasy, music, sports, outdoor, indoor. Okay, you can select anything you want. So I will just go with the neon background. Okay, fine. So I'm having this background. Actually, I needed two backgrounds. The one backdrop while the game is being started. When the game start, we need this background. And when the game over, fine. I need something extra that game over should be written on it, or you can use something else to show that your game is over. Fine. Now let me go to the backdrop section on the left side over here. So you can see I'm having these two. First one is empty. The second one is this thing, neon. I need one more background. I don't require this empty thing. I'll just delete this. I'm going to duplicate this. Fine. I will use a text. Okay, I will select the color. White would be better, I think. Let us try typing something. Game over. Right? So just drag so that stars increase. Okay. Now you can see I'm having two backgrounds. The first one is neon tunnel and the second one is game over. Here, let's go back to our screen. Just click on the code part over here. So now you are over here. Now let us add a character. I'll just click on this backdrop. So this backdrop is visible, the first one, for a time being. We'll come to the coding part. Coding part is super easy. Let's go back to the code. Let us add our characters. So since we are making a balloon popper game, so we need balloons. Let us add a balloon. So in the same way, you're going to add a sprite the way we add a background. Click over here, search for balloon. Either you can just scroll down, or you can just categorize, or you can type. Okay, so I got one balloon over here. Select fine. So now I'm having a balloon. You can position it at any place. So now what happened over here? We are having our two things. We added a backdrop, we added a balloon, we added two backdrop if you remember. This one as well as the game app. Fine. Now I'm going to pop balloons. If you want to pop some other characters, you can use those things as the sprite. If you want some other background, you can use those things. Okay, clear with this?